Interim order earlier granted may kindly be extended.
ಆಗಿದೆ ಹೋಗಪ್ಪ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ಕೇಳ್ತ ಬರ್ತೀಯ ಪ್ರವೀಣ್ ಕುಲಕರ್ಣಿ
I am compliant.
ನನ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಆನ್ ಬಿಹಾಫ್ ದಿ ಪೆಟಿಷನರ್ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ರೆಡ್ಡಿ ಅವ್ರು ಬಂದಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ ಕುಲಕರ್ಣಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ
Please.
27/6 entry mod if any stands extended Polly
My lord, kindly on 27th, my lord. Senior will
Okay.
present physically and argue the matter, my lord.
ಮುಂದೆ 27 ಕೇಳ್ತಾರ ನೋಡ್ರಿ
Please, my lord, please. I'm
27 entry mod already granted extended ದಯಣ್ಣ ಅವರ್
entry order.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆಪ್ಪ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂನು
My lord,
ದಯಣ್ಣ ಅವರ್
my lord, I have had I number one to stay the proceedings.
I appear for respond number 2, my lord. I have filed my objections.
ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ದಯಣ್ಣ ಅವರ್
My lord, the private company came to file against this petitioner and the police have submitted the charge sheet against accused number 2 and this petitioner is concerned. Accused number 2 have filed a class proceedings for 82 deposition.
Accused number 2?
Accused number 2 filed a for 82 proceedings.
ನೀವ್ ಯಾರು?
Allowed. I am accused number 1 in this case is concerned.
ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದಾರೋ ಹಾಕಿದಾರೋ
ಎರಡು ಬೋತ್ ಅಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2 ಮತ್ತು 1 ಮೇಲೆ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು ಅಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2 ಫೈಲ್ಡ್ came to be allowed. I have submitted the
ಆಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಅಫೆನ್ಸ್
my lord 465 471 and 408.
ಹಾ
So I have filed I number 1 to stay the further proceedings in it against the
ನಿಮ್ಮೇಲೂ ಅಲಿಗೇಷನ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ
allegation against accused number 2 also, my lord.
ನೋ ನಿಮ್ಮೇಲೂ ಇದೆ
Alla,
ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ 17
correct sir, but here accused number 2 filed a proceedings for 482 CRPC. It came to be allowed. He is also facing the same.
ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಸರ್ ಅಕ್ಯೂಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2 ಅವಾಗಿಂದ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್
I have furnished the
ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕಾನೂನಿಲ್ಲ
I have produced the
ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ದಯಾಣ್ಣವರ್
my
the
lord.
case is quashed against the accused number 2 there is no hard and fast rule that I should quash the case against the accused number 1 when serious allegations like 420 468 470 are all alleged
My lord of president, I have
ಇದು ಉಪಯೋಗ ಪಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರೋದು ಯಾರು ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ ದಟ್ he has got by the document which has been interpolated
but the police submitted charge sheet against accused number 1 and 2 that it is not proved. Accused number 2 against accused number 2 is not proved, against accused number 1 is not proved.
ಓದಿ
Who created the document?
ಓದಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಓದಿ
My lord, it was said for the
no where have you produced you read that order no
my lord. And I have furnished the order copy along with memo. And this it is absence of any independent material collected by the investigating agency.
no sir no such memo no such order is here except the statement of objection filed by the second respondent nothing is here
I will
then our
find it
6th
out.
time to produce the copy of the order in respect of past set have been passed by this court by the coordinate bench of this court in respect of accused number 2 release this matter on 27/6
Please.
But-
I have furnished the copy.
Number 15.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ
ಇಲ್ಲ, I will furnish my lord.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸತಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ
Abhinandan.
ಕುಂಟವಾಡೆ none present released on
Please, your lordship, I
27/6
appear on behalf of Gundwadi, sir, your lordship. He is held up in quotal number 7, your lordship.
all right 27/6 Guru
Please, entry
Gachinmat
order may kindly.
Number 16.
entry mod extended Guru Gachinmat ಹೇಳಿಮ್ಮ
For short accommodation.